Your home is probably filled with outdated technology that makes daily tasks harder than they need to be. The gadgets released in 2026 are not just incremental improvements, but genuine innovations that solve real problems in creative ways. Let me show you 15 home gadgets from 2026 that you absolutely must have. Number 14. Self-cleaning litter box with health monitoring. This automated litter box not only cleans itself, but monitors your cat's health by analyzing waste and detecting potential medical issues before symptoms appear. The system uses weight sensors to identify which cat used the box in multi-cat households. The waste analysis includes checking for blood crystals and abnormal consistency, indicating health problems. The AI algorithm tracks patterns over time, alerting you to changes that suggest diabetes, kidney disease, or urinary tract infections. The automatic cleaning cycle runs after each use, separating waste into a sealed compartment that eliminates odors completely. Number 13. Smart mattress with sleep optimization. This mattress includes integrated sensors and climate control that automatically adjusts firmness, temperature, and position throughout the night, optimizing sleep quality. The sleep tracking monitors heart rate, breathing patterns, and movement without wearing any devices. The AI learns your sleep preferences over weeks, making increasingly personalized adjustments. The dual zone controls let couples customize each side independently. One person can have firm, cool conditions, while the other enjoys soft warmth. The automatic temperature adjustment keeps you cool during deep sleep and warmer as you approach waking. The gentle wake feature gradually elevates your head, simulating natural sunrise. Number 12. Countertop Dishwasher with UV Sterilization. This compact dishwasher fits on countertops, requiring no installation while providing full-size cleaning power, plus UV sterilization that kills bacteria, viruses, and mold. The unit connects to any faucet using the included adapter, requiring no permanent plumbing modifications. The capacity holds 4 complete place settings, perfect for small households or supplementing full-size dishwashers. The washing performance matches full-size units despite compact dimensions. The UV sterilization cycle runs after washing, killing 99.9% of pathogens, including those that survive hot water washing. This feature is particularly valuable for baby bottles, cutting boards, and items needing sanitization beyond regular cleaning. The quick wash cycle completes in 30 minutes for lightly soiled items. Number 11. Automated Plant Care System. This system monitors and cares for houseplants, automatically watering, fertilizing, and adjusting light based on each plant's specific needs, without any manual intervention. The modular sensors insert into soil, monitoring moisture, pH, and nutrient levels continuously. The central hub connects to water and fertilizer reservoirs. The system identifies plant species through the companion app or photo recognition. The automated watering delivers precise amounts based on real-time soil conditions, not arbitrary schedules. Different plants receive customized care simultaneously. The grow lights supplement natural sunlight, adjusting spectrum and intensity based on plant type and growth stage. The fertilizer injection system adds nutrients when soil analysis indicates deficiencies. Number 10. Smart Refrigerator Inventory Camera. This retrofit camera system installs inside existing refrigerators, tracking all contents and expiration dates without requiring expensive smart refrigerator purchases. The wide-angle camera mounts on the top shelf, capturing the entire interior. The AI-powered image recognition identifies items by packaging, even reading expiration dates when visible. The inventory updates automatically every time you close the door. The smartphone app shows exactly what is inside without opening the refrigerator, saving energy. The expiration alerts notify you before food spoils, reducing waste significantly. The recipe suggestions are based on available ingredients, minimizing grocery trips. The shopping list generation adds items automatically when you run low. Number 9. Touchless Trash Compactor. This trash can automatically compact garbage, reducing volume by 80% while operating completely touchlessly, preventing contamination and odors. The motion sensor opens the lid when you approach, keeping hands clean. The built-in compactor activates automatically when the bin reaches certain fullness levels. The compression mechanism crushes trash using powerful motors, reducing 8 bags worth of garbage into one compacted bag. This dramatically reduces how often you take out trash. The odor sealing system creates airtight compression, preventing smells from escaping. The antibacterial coating on all surfaces inhibits bacterial growth. The bag holder system keeps bags secure during compression, preventing tears and spills. Number 8. Voice-controlled smart blinds. These motorized blinds retrofit onto existing windows, providing voice control scheduling and automatic adjustment based on sunlight and temperature without replacing window treatments. The installation clips onto current blinds, requiring no drilling or permanent modifications. The quiet motors open close and adjust blinds smoothly. The smartphone app provides manual control from anywhere. The voice assistant integration works with Alexa, Google, and Siri. The scheduling feature opens blinds at sunrise and closes at sunset automatically. The sunlight sensors detect harsh glare and close blinds, protecting furniture and reducing cooling costs. The temperature integration works with thermostats, closing blinds during hot afternoons to reduce air conditioning loads. Number 7. Air purifier with real-time pollution display. This advanced air purifier not only cleans air, but displays real-time pollution levels, showing exactly what contaminants are present and how effectively they are being removed. The laser particle sensor detects PM2.5, PM10, and larger particles continuously. The VOC sensor identifies volatile organic compounds from cleaning products, paints, and off-gassing materials. The formaldehyde sensor detects this common indoor pollutant specifically. The display shows current levels of each pollutant type with color-coded indicators. The automatic mode adjusts fan speed based on detected pollution, running harder when air quality degrades. Number 6. Smart leak detector with auto shutoff. This water leak detection system not only alerts you to leaks, but automatically shuts off main water supply, preventing catastrophic damage when leaks are detected. The sensors placed near water heaters, washing machine sinks, and toilets, detecting moisture immediately. The wireless hub connects sensors to the motorized main water valve. When any sensor detects water, the system alerts your phone and automatically closes the main valve, stopping water flow completely. This prevents minor leaks from becoming flooding disasters, especially when you are away from home. The system rearms automatically once the leak is addressed. The sensitivity adjustment prevents false alarms from humidity or condensation. Number 5. Robotic window cleaner for interior and exterior. This advanced robot cleans both sides of windows simultaneously from inside your home, eliminating dangerous exterior cleaning on upper floors. The dual unit design uses strong magnets connecting through glass. You place both units on the window and they attach magnetically. The synchronized movement cleans both surfaces at once. The rotating microfiber pads scrub, while squeegees remove solution, leaving streak-free results. The edge detection prevents falls by detecting window boundaries. The safety tether provides backup if magnetic connection fails. The AI navigation plans efficient cleaning paths. The obstruction detection navigates around window locks and handles. Number 4. Kitchen compost bin with odor elimination. This countertop compost collector uses activated carbon filtration and UV sterilization to eliminate odors, completely making indoor composting practical and pleasant. Traditional compost bins smell terrible, making most people keep them outside or under sinks. This system contains multiple odor-fighting technologies. The activated carbon filter absorbs volatile organic compounds that create smells. The UVC light kills odor-causing bacteria continuously. The airtight seal prevents any smell from escaping when the lid closes. You can keep this on your counter without any unpleasant odors. The large capacity holds several days of food scraps for average households. Number 3. Smart Sous Vide with recipe integration. This advanced sous vide cooker connects to recipe apps, automatically setting time and temperature while providing step-by-step instructions for perfect results every time. Traditional sous vide requires researching exact temperatures and times for different foods. This system eliminates guesswork completely. You select a recipe from thousands in the app library. The device automatically sets precise temperature and cooking duration. The notifications alert you when to add ingredients or when cooking completes. The circulation pump ensures even temperature throughout the water bath. The temperature accuracy maintains within 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. UV Sanitizing Charging Station. This charging dock sanitizes phones, keys, wallets, and other everyday items using UVC light, while simultaneously charging devices, eliminating germs you bring home daily. The chamber accommodates phones up to larger sizes, plus additional items like keys, watches, earbuds, and credit cards. The dual UVC bulbs provide 360-degree coverage, sanitizing all surfaces. The medical-grade UV wavelength kills 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and fungi in 10 minutes. The automatic shutoff activates when you open the lid, preventing UV exposure. The wireless charging pad charges compatible phones during sanitization. The USB ports charge additional devices simultaneously. Number 1. Whole home air quality system with Purification. This central system integrates with HVAC, providing whole home air purification and real-time quality monitoring in every room, eliminating the need for multiple standalone purifiers. The system installs an existing ductwork, purifying all air circulating through your home. The medical-grade HEPA filtration captures particles down to 0.3 microns. The activated carbon layer removes odors, VOCs, and gases. The UV sterilization kills airborne pathogens. The ionization reduces particles, making them easier to filter. The sensors in each room monitor air quality, displaying real-time data on wall-mounted screens and smartphone apps. The automatic mode adjusts purification intensity based on detected pollution. The quiet operation is virtually silent compared to portable purifiers.